Welcome back, Evergreen traders and investors. This is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated, and this is our EquiTalks episode number 85. In this episode, I'll be talking about Easycall Communication Philippines with a stock code of ECP. By the end of this episode, this question will be answered. Is there a buy signal near 8.8? So we will find out through my technical analysis that is based on my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. This evergreen strategy is my collection of proprietary methodologies whenever I do short-term trading and long-term investing. And I've turned this one into an online stock market course or an online stock market seminar. If you'd like to know more about this, visit our website at equilyst.com/evergreen or simply visit equilyst.com and then click on the course page or menu on our homepage. And speaking of this online stock market course or online stock market seminar, we have an ongoing discount. It's a 40% discount until January 31st, 2020. From 10,000 pesos for your lifetime access, it's just now down to 6,000 pesos. So for each purchase, 1,000 pesos will be donated to our brethren that are affected by the eruption of Taal volcano. 1,000 pesos will be donated for each purchase. Okay? This 40% discount is only until January 31st, 2020. Now, without further ado, let's talk about my technical analysis for Easycall Communication Philippines Incorporated or ECP. Last Friday, January 24, 2020, it closed at 8.8. Support is at 7.7. Resistance is at 14 pesos per share. If you'd like to, we can also assign 10.15 as its midterm resistance, somewhere near that range, 10.15 as a precursor to 14 pesos per share, the bigger resistance level. Foreign fundies did not have any participation last Friday, and I think for uh, year to date, let's double check. Year to date, they have not registered any participation yet as well for ECP. All right, so they have no major or significant activity going on to this stock. The 10 MACD of ECP is still bullish. Fortunately, the last price is still moving higher than the 10 SMA, and MACD is moving higher than the signal line. ECP has a low risk level because of its historical volatility score of 38.36%. If you'd like to know about the significance of knowing the risk level of a stock, I highly recommend that you watch my online stock market course, which is the Evergreen Strategy in Trading and Investing the Philippine Stock Market. It's explained, I already explained it there, how to interpret historical volatility, to measure the risk level of a stock, which stocks are newbie friendlies, etc., etc. Okay? Now, last Friday, the total turnover value was only at around 500,000 pesos. Foreign the foreign investors were again they did not have any participation last Friday. It was the local traders that drove the price action of ECP last Friday. On my trade and volume distribution analysis, I saw that the volume weighted average price of ECP was at 8.66. It's lower than the last price of 8.8. The dominant singular price point is at 8.8, which is closer to the intraday high than the intraday low, and that makes a bullish momentum power indicator. Do we already have a buy signal near 8.8? Yes, there is. So why 8.8? It's the dominant singular price point. Okay? I also explained in the online stock market course the relevance of buying within the dominant range and not at any random price under the ask column. Okay? Now, there is a buy signal for ECP, but understand and consider that the true market sentiment for ECP is bearish last Friday. Now, because of this bearish true market sentiment, I'm going to give two logical options for those who may already have ECP in their portfolio. So for the recommendation part, here you go. If you already have ECP and under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, you have two options. Either you top up within this dominant singular price point at 8.8 or you hold your position because it's a bearish true market sentiment. If you are a low risk trader, I would recommend the second option. If you are a high risk, a disciplined, and an experienced trader, then you can go for the first option, topping up at 8.8. Okay? Now, if you don't have ECP, there is a confirmed buy signal, but don't jump right away into setting your buying price at 8.8. You need to do one extra process first, which is the calculation of your reward to risk ratio. You can use my reward to risk ratio and trailing stop calculators on our website at equilyst.com. Go to resources, tools, and then you'll find the calculators there. Okay, so that's my recommendation. If you don't have ECP but you are planning to have this particular stock. All right. Now the good news is that if you are a subscriber, you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for ECP and for any other stock listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange in our private clients forum. To subscribe, just visit equilyst.com/subscribe or simply visit the website at equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page on our website. There are six inclusions that you will get when you subscribe to our service. Number one, you will receive a daily video for short-term trading purposes, and that video includes 10 trade ideas for 10 different stocks. That's daily, except holidays and weekends. Number two, you will get an exclusive access to our investment guide for long-term investing. I personally monitor all 30 index or blue chip companies. Whenever I see any index company that has a confirmed buy signal based on my Evergreen strategy, you will know by just refreshing our investment guide or investor table. And I will also tell you the dominant range where you should position for a test buy or to top up. Number three, you will be given an exclusive access for consultation, unlimited consultation in our private clients forum. You can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for any stock or for any, including those stocks that you may already have even before you subscribe to us. Number four, you can submit your analysis in our study room in our private clients forum. I will personally give you a score. I'm going to comment. I'm going to give you recommendations on how to make your analysis better so that you can execute better as well. If it's really that good, and if you'd like to, I am going to publish it on our website with your picture, with your author's biography, and with your affiliate link. When you share that article, that analysis, and when someone subscribes through your affiliate link, 20% will be your commission. So that's the fifth inclusion, your eligibility to our Learn and Earn affiliate program, or simply LEAP. And last but not the least, you will be given a free online stockbrokers account from First Metro Securities. Plus, you will receive 2 months of free access to our First Metro Securities as First MetroSec Pro, the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines. And may I recommend or may I invite you to sign up as well to our free newsletter so that you will be receiving an email alert every time we publish a new EquiTalks episode like this one. If you're interested, go to our website at equilyst.com/learn or simply visit the website at equilyst.com, click resources, and then click learn. All right? And On that Learn page, you will see an orange sign up button. After signing up, check your inbox. Why? To confirm your registration. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam and or junk folder. It should be there. So after confirming your registration, it will be then guaranteed that you will receive an email alert when we publish a new episode. And also, if you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, or if you listen to this podcast on our SoundCloud account, go to the description box down below. Follow us on all of our social media accounts. We're on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. We're, we're all over. We're all over actually on social media. And this way, when you follow us, aside from the email alert, you will also be notified through your favorite social media account or social media network when we publish a new episode. So you don't miss a thing. So you'll be the first one to know. All right? So again, thank you for listening to this EquiTalks episode number 85. This is JC De Guzman. Always remember, be evergreen.